Hello and welcome back to Ian's Gadget. In today's video, we want to find out whether this blender can make a good creamy Oreo milkshake. Do stay with us till the end. Blenders are versatile and considered one of the most popular small appliances found in the kitchen. So today, we want to find out whether this Rantom's blender has what it takes to make good creamy Oreo milkshake. Let's get started. For ingredients, we use ice cream, some Oreo cookies, and milk. Now we just close the lid and blend until combined. Whoa! Now this is blended to a desired consistency. Before we pour into our glasses, it could do with some decorations using chocolate syrup. Now this looks good. We just pour our Oreo milkshake into the glasses, and I think we're good. Oh, this looks nice. This looks creamy, you know. So our blender has what it takes, because if you see what we're getting as the results here, you can see that it was up to the task. It has what it takes, you know. You can crush some cookies to top it up. Just put them up here like this. Add some Oreo cookies. And your straws. We've come to the end of today's video. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. Also, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. I truly appreciate it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.